updates coming in. As far as the maiden visit is concerned, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio is now en route India. Now, with Kolkata being the first leg of his visit, that's going to begin with his India tour, and Marco Rubio is now scheduled to arrive in Kolkata in a short while from now, kick-starting the day that is focused on cultural outreach and several other engagements. His itinerary that includes a visit to the Mother House, the headquarters of the Missionaries of Charity, founded by Mother Teresa. Also, he's expected to visit the Nirmala Shishu Bhavan as part of his outreach program in the city. The U.S. Secretary of State will later visit the iconic Victoria Memorial before moving on to the next leg of his India visit. But exactly what he's getting as far as when it comes to his bilateral is concerned, where he is also expected to meet the External Affairs Minister and also Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So all of the updates that we are now expected, especially when it comes to the Quad Foreign Ministers meeting, that will also be taking place. So his first stop would be in Kolkata in the morning, and later is expected to arrive in the national capital. And this 4-day visit to India, this first one since taking office, will also see him traveling to other cities, including like Agra and Jaipur. Now, on part of the government, they will be exchanging views on advancing Quad cooperation across priority areas, reviewing the progress on the ongoing Quad initiatives and also reflecting on recent developments in the Indo-Pacific and other international issues of mutual concern. So this is now coming across as far as the bilateral is also concerned. That would be taking place between the External Affairs Minister, Dr. S. Jaishankar, and also Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Let's in the meantime get you the updates of his visit. When we are looking at day one, so the arrival is expected at the Kolkata airport about 7 in the morning, so in about an hour from now. And as far as then the visit to Mother House, that would be taking place of Missionaries of Charity, visit to Nirmala Shishu Bhavan, that is also expected, then a visit to Victoria Memorial, and later in the day, departure from Kolkata. And his next stop would be the national capital, where tomorrow he is expected to hold these bilaterals when it comes to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the External Affairs Minister. Meanwhile, the U.S. Secretary of State, Marco Rubio, will also be in India today, and it is his maiden visit to India as the Secretary of State. It is not a routine diplomatic visit. It has now been seen as a strategic repair mission by the Trump administration, an attempt by the White House to stabilize the ties between the world's oldest democracy and the world's largest democracy. Now, Trump tariffs, Trump's public credit of taking mediation role between India and Pakistan did bring some sourness to the relations between India and the U.S. However, when it comes to the personal rapport that President Trump shares with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he's remained consistent. Now, the visit will be high on optics as well as business. He has a packed and carefully crafted itinerary, with the first stop being in Kolkata, and he's also visiting Agra and Jaipur apart from the national capital. That's going to happen later in the day. So Marco Rubio's visit to 4 cities has now been seen as a symbolic outreach by the American administration. It is also a critical moment for the world tensions in the Middle East that are continuing as US-Iran peace deal is yet to be finalized. Now, President Trump recently visited China, and this was followed by a visit of the Russian President Putin to China. And especially when it comes to India, apart from the meeting of Prime Minister Modi and External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, Marco Rubio will also attend the Quad ministerial grouping that is seen as a strategic counterweight, especially when it comes to China's growing influence in the Indian Ocean and the broader Indo-Pacific region. Let's get you exactly what's happening on the agenda, especially when we talk about energy security, trade, critical minerals, defense cooperation, maritime security, Quad Foreign Ministers meeting, and of course, when it comes to the 250th year of American independence, all of that is going to be the highlight of Marco Rubio's visit. Let's connect with Mayank on this. Mayank, good morning. It's an all-important visit. We're expecting Marco Rubio on his maiden visit to India will be landing shortly in Kolkata. But why Kolkata has been chosen as the first destination?
Hi, good morning, Amita, and good morning to the viewers. Let's begin with the emphasis that it is going to be really a very important visit, which is being seen as a reset to the relationship, which is, which has been facing certain kind of strains, tensions in the recent times. So, coming back to Kolkata, because lots of meetings as far as, in terms of industrial people, industries, and had been lined up towards that side. And the council there, the US consulate there, they had got so many meetings lined up. So that was the reason initially, not specifically, any interpretation can be that he's not coming to Delhi first. So, we can clarify that at least. But then, important point is that Rubio is coming at a point when actually there are so many things to be discussed about, which includes tariff, because which had created a major tension between the two nations. And there had been almost a hard work of almost 20-25 years, which had been leading to a better relationship between US and India. And that included geopolitical and geostrategic discussions, relationships, and multinational organizations like Quad, which had shaped up because of this relationship only.
Yes.
So and tariff had been the one which was seen as something very confusing, because on one side, while there were so many things announced for China also, but they were removed gradually and subsequently. But it did not happen with India, which was already a major sort of, in their own terms, in the words of US people only, US officials only, that
Yes.
India was turning to be a major ally. So what you see, there are so many things to be discussed and cleared. Else, there had been a tension.
Well,
in the
multiple
recent
sectors that it is being said that, would be the prime focus of Marco Rubio. And let's in the meantime also talk about the work and the, when it comes to the work as a bridge that has now been done on part of the ambassador Sergio Gore himself, because they have been calling India to be a great partner. And this is why this visit matters. Reason one, the signal of India's geopolitical importance as well. And of course, when it comes to the close ties between US and India, and of course, when it comes to trade tensions there of late, that needs a lot of improvement. Energy security is now strategic. Marco Rubio said that we'll sell energy to India as much India is willing to buy it. And of course, when it comes to the crucial, geopolitical recalibration is also something that the US wants that with India. Of course, when it comes to the visit to the other cities like Agra and Jaipur, and of course, first pit stop being Kolkata, that seems to be a broader diplomatic outreach program on part of Marco Rubio.